Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best MetaTrader 4 crypto brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online Forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of Forex trading. At number 4 on our list is FPMarkets. FPMarkets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FPMarkets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FPMarkets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FPMarkets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FPMarkets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FPMarkets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FPMarkets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FPMarkets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is a global provider of online trading services, offering access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With a reputation for transparency, reliability, and competitive pricing, Tickmill is dedicated to providing traders with the tools and support they need to succeed in the financial markets. Founded in 2014, Tickmill has grown rapidly, serving clients from over 200 countries and territories worldwide. The broker provides access to cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet their diverse needs and preferences. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web platforms, as well as the Tickmill mobile trading application. These platforms offer a seamless trading experience across multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, allowing traders to stay connected and trade the markets anytime, anywhere. Tickmill offers a range of trading account types designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. Their accounts include the classic and raw account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are looking for tight spreads, low commissions, or additional trading features, Tickmill has an account type to suit their preferences. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources such as trading strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights, these resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of experience. From articles and videos to webinars and seminars, Tickmill's educational offerings are accessible and informative, helping traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Overall, Tickmill stands as a trusted global provider of online trading services, committed to delivering excellence, transparency, and reliability to traders worldwide. With a comprehensive range of market instruments, advanced trading platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources, Tickmill empowers traders to pursue their financial goals with confidence and success. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced professional, the broker offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage, referral rewards, and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best MetaTrader 4 crypto brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a well-established online Forex and CFD broker that has gained recognition as a leading platform for trading a diverse range of financial instruments. With its focus on providing a comprehensive trading experience, Avatrade has become a preferred choice for traders looking for a reliable and user-friendly brokerage solution. Traders have access to various trading accounts tailored to meet the needs of different levels of expertise, from novice traders to experienced professionals. These accounts provide opportunities to trade major and minor currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and other popular assets. Avatrade facilitates both spot trading and derivative trading, allowing traders to capitalize on market fluctuations and implement diverse trading strategies. Avatrade offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best MetaTrader 4 crypto brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.